I wanted to show you what's going to be inside your kit for your field activity with the remote cameras. So you'll get, this is the Cam 2 kit, and inside it you should see two of our Bushnell trail cams, and if you just double check them, you should see that each one has batteries and an SD card. And that SD card goes in and clicks, and then you push it in again and it'll click back out further, and then you can grab it to take it out. Okay, so I've set it so that it's it should be set so that it's blank for you. The SD card should be blank when you pick it up, and then you can check your SD card to see if you got any photos. Since most laptops these days don't come with an SD card slot on them, I've got a USB reader here, and you just push that in. This one doesn't click, you just pull it in or pull it out and push it in, but make sure it's firmly in there, and it'll only go in one way. Alright, and then you connect that to your laptop, and you should be able to, in the File Explorer, you should be able to look at the photos that you've got, and you're welcome to copy those to your laptop if you'd like to. So just double check that both of the cameras have SD cards. So those will both be in there. With the SD card reader, you'll have two of our locks go around the back of the cameras to attach them to the structure, tree, whatever that you decide you're going to leave them on. We've got two padlocks that go here to lock the camera to protect your SD cards from being stolen, because the lock around the tree, you can still open the front of the camera and those SD cards are exposed. So that lock is there. And then we've got a set of keys here, and the larger of the keys, I'm wrong, the smaller of the keys fits the, no, I'm right. One of the keys will fit the master lock here. Well, we'll have that figured out. Here we go. This is the small one. That fits your master lock. All right. So the smaller of the keys fits the master lock, and then we've got two separate keys, and you'll just have to experiment to see which one of those fits which cable lock. But each cable lock will have a different key. So but the larger of the two keys will do your cable locks. The smaller one does both of the padlocks, take the same key. So that's for you to have so that you don't lose the keys during the field exercise. And that's the kit. So just bring that back with the SD card. The battery's still intact. Bring everything back as it is here and turn it in at the front desk when you're done. Thanks.